Affiliate marketing today. The best tips available. There are many types of affiliate marketing, but the basic theme is business using another business to be able to attract more business to their website. By promoting another business, product or website on your website, you can gain commissions and/or reciprocal services. This video can make these methods easier to understand and engage in. When choosing which companies to align yourself with in affiliate marketing, choose companies that sell products your visitors are interested in purchasing. You earn more money when users click on or purchase products using your affiliate links, so it makes sense to choose things that are likely to interest your website visitors. Keep a direct line open to your customers in affiliate marketing. You do not have to be the wizard behind the curtain here. You can have a blog presence, a Twitter account, a Facebook fan page, or other methods by which customers can contact you about the product and/or service. Be a personable affiliate. Use ranking tools and software to research what works for your audience. Find out what ads and pages are gaining you customers. If a particular ad is not sending any traffic to your affiliate, then get rid of it and try something new. Affiliate marketing requires constant tweaking to get to maximum effectiveness. If a marketing aspect just is not working for your company, do not be afraid to cut it off. If no one on your mailing list likes receiving newsletters, and you have noticed that many people have unsubscribed, there is no reason to continue sending them out. Simply explain to the remaining subscribers that you will no longer be continuing the letter. Affiliate marketing services are there to help you get all the links you want in one place. The benefit is that you have access to many links at once with little legwork. The downside is that you lose a bit of profit, as the middleman has to get his share too. A great tip for affiliate marketing is to make sure you're getting the most out of your workday. A great way to do this is by using time management software. Time management software helps because it records exactly how much time you spend doing various things on your computer. A great affiliate marketing tip is to encourage your customers to actively participate on your website. You can start up a discussion and encourage them to share their thoughts. Having customers engaged like this creates a sense of community, and it also allows you to gain their trust. If you are interested in getting involved in affiliate marketing, it is extremely important that you educate yourself on the subject. Search out all the pertinent information that you can find. Learn the basic principles of programming, HTML, data feed manipulation, and creating custom links. The more knowledge that you have, the better off you will be. As presented in this video, affiliate marketing can take many variations and can provide multiple benefits to business and their affiliates. It can be much more effective than traditional marketing methods. This video seeks to bring the concept of affiliate marketing into the hands of all website owners and business so that they can increase their traffic and profits. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.